Gĩikaro kĩa mbere kĩa aikarĩri gĩtĩ hamwe na anini ao na atongoria a iturwa ngũrani thĩinĩ wa mbunge nĩ kĩambĩrĩirie mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ mwena wa Mombasa. Spika wa mbunge ya bũrũri nĩwe Moses Wetangula akĩambĩrĩria na kuga mĩario ya mũtongoria wa bũrũri igũrũ rĩgiĩ mahaki mbunge-inĩ ndĩrĩ na ũma o wothe.
Doubt has been placed on our integrity as a house. We are all aware of the recent public discussions and allegations about solicitation and receipt of monetary inducements to consider and pass legislation. In my view, these remain allegations.
We are at cruise altitude with turbulence, but we must not give up. We must not give up on the vision. We must synergize. We must work together.
Wetangula athiĩte na mbere kuga nĩ nginyagia mbunge cierĩ ikorwo na ũigĩrĩrĩki.
Honorable members, the question of integrity is therefore not a choice of what is convenient, but a choice of what is right. As leaders, we must lead from the front by upholding integrity in our different roles, and in this regard in executing your roles as chairpersons of committees.
Mwena wake mũtongoria wa arĩa anini mbunge-inĩ athiĩte na mbere kuga hangĩkorwo he mũndũ ũrekũĩra ciĩko cia ungumania abatiĩ kũruta wĩra wa mahaki.
The person who is bringing the allegations must come with a proof. The burden of proof belongs to the person who is coming up with allegations. He who alleges must come with proof. That's all. So if we are shown any proof, then we will accept. But if it is just mere allegations, we will ignore as Parliament. And we will do our work.
Somebody thinks that there is corruption in the House, we will take it with the jest that it comes.
Oho igũrũ rĩgiĩ kĩgĩna kĩa ũkũria wa matũũra gĩa CDF, ambunge aya nĩ manyitĩte mĩario ya spika mbaru makiuga kĩwatho gĩtibatiĩ gũthiĩ kũrĩ magavana.
Because it is not part of the shareable revenue for the counties. Secondly, even if the money were to be taken, which would be unconstitutional to governors, governors have no mandate to do education beyond early childhood, which is a nursery school.
So the governors and their COG have absolutely no issue and no interest in CDF. It is not their money.
Muthenya wa rũciũ ambunge aya matanyĩtwo kũgĩa na gĩikaro na mũcirithania mũnene nĩwe Martha Koome oro hamwe na rũhonge rwa cirithania.
I saw a case like the cyber crime and computer misuse. We passed it last parliament. The judiciary declared it part of it unconstitutional. Then people started bullying the judiciary in the cyber space. They started crying again, saying that, oh, we are being bullied in the cyber. But you are the ones who say these things are unconstitutional.
Andũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma gũkũ Mombasa, niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Madi.